Assalamu alaikum, good morning, and welcome to Learning Studio with Sajida Ali. I hope you all will be fit and fine. So, welcome to another session of phonics. And we are going to learn letter Y today. What we are going to learn? Letter Y. And what is the sound of letter Y? It's y, 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 y. Let's sing its sound. I like to eat yogurt and banana. I like to eat yogurt and banana. Yeah, 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 yeah. So what is the sound? It's yeah, 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 yeah. And we are going to learn the letter formation of Y first. First, we are going to write letter uppercase Y. I'm going to start with the skyline like this. Make a slanting line, then one more slanting line and standing line, and it's uppercase Y. Let's write the lowercase y. We're going to make a downward stroke like this. Go down, then turn, go up, and then again we have to go down and make a loop like this. It's lowercase y. Lowercase y we write on last three lines, and uppercase y we write on first three lines. You can see there are so many things over here. Let's see the things. Here it's a yellow paper. What is this? It's a yellow paper. And yellow starts with sound yellow. Yellow. And here you can see it's a yogurt. What is this? It's a yogurt. 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 And students, can you see here its color is pink. So it means it's a strawberry yogurt. You can get yogurt in different flavors, like it could be in vanilla flavor, in mango flavor. And why? Because it's very healthy. You should take yogurt in your breakfast. You can take your favorite flavor. Here you can see it's a yawn. It's a yawn. And yawn we use for knitting our gloves, our caps, our sweaters. And this is yacht. What is this? Yacht. Yacht. And yacht starts with sound yacht. And where you can see the yacht? On the land or in the water? Yes, you can see in the water. Here it's a toy. Can you guess which toy is this? Yes, this is yo-yo. What is this? This is yo-yo. And yo-yo gives the sound yo-yo. And do you like yo-yo? Yes, everybody likes. Here, can you guess what is this? It's an animal. And its name is yak. 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 And its color is brown. And here you can see, students, a girl is sitting and she's doing something. Can you guess what is this? Yes, she's doing exercise, but this exercise we can say it's a yoga. It's a yoga. We can also do yoga to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Yoga. And this is, everybody knows about this. This is an egg. And it's a half fry egg, and here you can see the yellow part. This is called yolk. 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 And do you eat egg? Yes, we should eat egg on daily basis in our breakfast because we get a lot of protein from egg. So we have learned the things that start with y sound. Can we repeat again? Yes, this is letter Y. And here is uppercase Y, lowercase y. And its sound is y. Let's repeat yogurt, yellow, yawn, yacht, yo-yo, york, yoga, and yak. So these all things have y sound in them. Can we write letter Y in the air? First we are going to write uppercase Y. Raise up your finger in the air like this. make a slanting line, then other one slanting line upward, and from the middle we have to make a straight line. This is uppercase Y. Let's write the lowercase. Come down, round, go up, then come down straight and make a curve or loop. This is lowercase y. And I hope you enjoyed today's session. Thank you.